Alright, let's just do this. On my way. Should be thermostat and coolant ball. So that shipped within a couple days, so that's awesome. Packing material, awesome. Twisted Park, New York, that's where Gap's located. And yeah, should be this little thing. Yeah. Get the whole room. Made in Germany. That's not really German, that's horrible. Let's check the second box. Box number 2. Coolant ball that you can actually see into. Sensor. Awesome. Nice and thick too. Alright, so sorry about the lapse in footage between box opening of said parts to now. Right now we are about to go get the windows tinted on the Jetta. We're going with 35% Maxpro tint. I think it's a metallic tint, a high performance tint is what I've read online. We should see, I did have 0% before, but I had to take it off when we moved from California to North Carolina due to their tint laws. So as much as I like having the glass house look, it's time to get tint back. Also, the lapse was also because I wasn't feeling well. As you can tell, still in my throat a little bit. My niece and nephew got me sick. Look forward to the thermostat and coolant ball being put onto the Jetta soon. I looked up a video on how to do the coolant ball. Seems pretty self-explanatory. I just need some locking pliers and we should be good to go. Solutions. Yes, sir. All right, just got the call. There she is. 35%. Man, I miss my limo tint back home in California. But it's not bad, I guess. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that wraps up the window tint. Again, 35% carbon type. I'm not 110% satisfied, but satisfied enough because I had nothing and again was rolling around with the fish tank look. Plus, it's legal here. When I go back home to California, probably pull it off and go 0 in the back per what I had before and 35 in the front, or 50 in the front, I think is the legal state limit in California, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so not too bad. That's it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. And oh, I got something else to share with you. Stand by.
I'm taking these shots like it's moving.
Indoor shot from inside the car. It's kind of hard to tell with it not being the sunniest or brightest of days. Leave the tint up, or excuse me, leave your windows rolled up for 3 to 4 days. I've heard 1 to 2. I've done 1 to 2 or 2 days and it's been fine, but again, that was in California heat. Here, probably gonna leave it up just for the week. I mean, it's not hot enough to where it's windows down season anyway. But yeah.
Call me up the hardest damn jewelry I bought. You was my shorty I
I forgot to mention that I did end up getting the locking pliers. So hopefully next video will be me installing the new coolant ball or expansion tank. I'll try to film what goes on during that process, any problems you might encounter, but again, it seems pretty cut and dry. So until next time, peace.